Kambi mar Media Services nowuok oko mar dhialo johera mag chenro magi ma opogore opogore kanyakla kod jotije mag kambi. Moko kuom jolendo nowuok oko mar chiwo maua kod mich mamoko ne johera mag Media Services. Mae kaka chenrono ne chalo kinyi ma kawuono.
Once again, the street disciple, this time round to come to you live as we keep spreading the love. Mtuangu Poa from the market around the Dennis Street roundabout Mtuangu Poa. Niko hapa hivi na mbogi yangu ya power, Jeff Kwenange ndani ya nyumba, Clear funding ya nyumba, to represent our 3 major TV stations, nazungumzia Citizen TV, Ramogi TV, Inoro TV, and also Hot 96. Iko well represented, not forgetting Radio Citizen. It's all about celebrating Valentine's Day in a stylish fashion that's memorable. Na pia mimi mtu wangu wa power nataka celebrate Jeff Koinange.
Oh my goodness.
Asapo na Cleo first. Is your design mtu wangu wa power red?
Apples.
Is
this from Kimbandansky?
See Kibandaski.
That's where we are, right?
Your design, that's where we are.
What does it mean?
And we have Kibandaski. It's a Kibanda. There's Kempinski.
Yeah, Kempinski. I know Kempinski.
And then Kibandaski.
Kempinski is this Villa Rosa or is this Villa Rose?
Villa Rose. Villa Rose. But today we will be showing love by giving some roses to a section of our listeners and our viewers. I'll see you.
That's right.
And it's been an all-morning affair. So far?
Yeah, so far so good.
It's your design.
And it's true. From this representation, we can all see it's an apple. And from the biblical stories, we can attest to it. It's from an apple that Adam and Eve, they were somewhere in the mix. And so today from this color, it's almost red or maroon. Whichever the color, they're shades of red. Yeah. We're here to show back and to give back love, that which we have. And to our special audience, today is the day natuko Kibandaski.
It's your design. Turn around the board, there is a different kind of love in the air.
Giving back. Giving back.
Barrel.
Come. Give away some goodies.
Good stuff.
Tell us your name and what you do. Go on. Talk to Gunza.
I'm Beryl Faith. I'm working here in restaurant.
Unauza nini na nini hapo hivyo kwa restaurant?
Unauza machapati, mandazi, chakula.
Amazing sana. Na umepiga look red, black.
Valentine, of course.
Na umeamua kufungua kazi. Kwani hauna mipango
leo watu wanaletwa ma-out, sasa tunawauzia.
Amazing sana. Sisi tumeamua kujileta out kwa sababu yako mazee sister. Unasikia namna gani?
Nasikia vizuri sana.
Jeff Konage.
Tunaona Jeff leo nasikia vizuri sana.
Nashukuru Beryl Faith. Sasa tuna zawadi hapa kwako. Shika your bag. There's a rose here for you. There's some juices for you.
Wow.
And there's a gift voucher for 2,000 shillings from House of Leather.
Wow.
Imagine.
Thank you.
We're going to celebrate love ya Valentine na wewe kama one of our listener and viewer. Unaonanga TV gani ama radio station gani kutoka Media Services?
Naona Ramogi TV.
Kwa hivyo unajua Cleo?
Yeah, namjua vizuri.
Cleo bikae. Ebu ni say we love her in Doluo.
Waheri ainya and
sana.
Iwi joka chendo mane Ramogi TV.
Glenn Ramogi. Nampenda sana.
Ero kama na ainya.
Ero kama.